Hi there. Are you planning to take API 577 exam? Do you want to be certified as a Welding Inspection and Metallurgy specialist? Are you looking for a course that provides you exams similar to the real exam in API 577? Are you looking for a course that provides you answer to all the questions and why choice A is right, choice B is wrong, and all those kind of descriptions for every single choice? Are you looking for a course that provides you page number and section that you can find the answer to each question? If the answer is yes to all these questions, this is the course for you. Hey guys, I'm Sam from RBI Clue, and you're watching me because you're interested in sample questions for API 577 exam. This course includes 210 questions split into 3 tests. Each test is similar to the real API exam. After you're done with all the questions, you will see the results right away. You can also see the answer to every question and why that choice is right and the other choices are wrong. You can also see the page number and the section of the book that you can find the answer. So everything that you need for the exam is there. You just need to do the test, review the answers, and read those sections of the book that you have incorrect answers. Now, if you have any question about these tests or the content of the course, you can always reach me by email or comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So there is somebody behind the course, and you don't need to worry about anything. Again, I am a materials engineer, and I have made and reviewed the content of the course, so there shouldn't be any kind of problem with that. But if you still have any kind of question or something, you can get back to me at any time.